Hello everyone, welcome to Everest Online Academy. As a हामी class 12 को 2079 को model set को grammar को portion गर्दै छौं है. So grammar मा हाम्रो active passive, reported speech, relative pronoun, conjunction, त्यस्तै गरी tense को कुरा, preposition हरु आउँछ. So सबैलाई एकचोटी हामी राम्रोसँग हेरौं है त. Okay, let's get started. So first मा हेर्नुस्, I have to go to dentist because my tooth is aching terrible भनेर भनेको छ. So find the mistake and correct it भनेर हुन्छ. अब यसमा कहाँ मिस्टेक छ त? एक्चुअली फेरि पढौं. I have to go to the dentist because my tooth is aching terrible. So यसमा terrible हुन्छ त? हुँदैन नि है. Adverb लाग्छ. So my tooth is aching terribly भन्ने चाहिँ करेक्ट भयो है. Terribly भनेर भन्ने. All right. Next one. His house is the way from Itahari to Biratnagar भनेर भयो. यो त हामीले कमनली सुनिराखेको पनि हो. I'm on my way भनेर भनिन्छ. So यो fixed case preposition भयो. That's why his house is on the way from Itahari to Biratnagar भनेर भयो है. Next one. Ram assured me that he would meet me at the bus station exactly at 8 a.m. It is now 10 a.m. I have waiting for him since early morning. Find the incorrect verbs and rewrite it भनेर छ. अब यहाँ incorrect कहाँ छ त? कुन verb मा incorrect छ त? हेर्नुस् त ल. Okay, so यहाँ छ यो present perfect continuous tense मा छ, right? So यहाँ एउटा been missing छ. So I have been waiting for him since early in the morning भनेर भन्नु पर्यो है. यो चाहिँ एकदम सजिलो छ. Next, you stop smoking. It is very harmful. You will stop smoking. You must stop smoking. You has to stop smoking. You had to stop smoking. So यहाँ obligation को कुरा छ. तिमीले smoking stop गर्नै पर्छ. So smoking लाई must भनेर भन्नु पर्यो. So you must stop smoking. It is very harmful. All right. Okay. He usually does his homework in his room. He usually do, he usually did, he usually has done, he usually does his homework in his room. So यहाँ हामीले कुन टेन्स लगाउने भनेर कसरी थाहा पाउने त? यो टाइम एडभर्ब हेर्ने usually भनेर छ. So हाम्रो एउटा टेन्स को रुल छ रेगुलर एक्टिभिटी, रिपिटेड एक्सन and adverbs like this always, never, sometimes, frequently, occasionally. यस्तो एडभर्ब आयो भने सिम्पल प्रेजेन्ट टेन्स लगाउने भन्ने कुरा हामीलाई थाहा छ. That's why he does his homework in his room. Okay. Next. As a part of the project work, the students had to work physically. They requested their teacher to stop study भनेर छ. यहाँ पनि find the mistake and correct it है त. So यहाँ के छ mistake छ and के correct गर्नु पर्यो हेर्नुस्. As a part of the project work, the students had to work physically. Therefore, they requested their teacher to stop studying भनेर हुन्छ है. Studying यो चाहिँ हाम्रो जेरन्ड को रूल हो है. हामीले जेरन्ड मा पढेका छौं. So to stop studying भनेर भयो. Next, Ganesh is a doctor. His wife is a doctor. Combine these words using conjunction both and भनेर छ. अब हामीले यसरी भन्न सक्यौं. Both Ganesh and his wife are doctors भनेर भन्न सक्यौं. All right. Next one. The man is in the garden. The man is wearing a blue jumper. Like suitable relative pronoun ले हामीले join गर्नु पर्यो. So let's see. the man who is in the garden, who is in the garden is wearing a blue jumper. The man who is in the garden is wearing a blue jumper. Okay, next one. My uncle wrote a wonderful play into passive भनेर छ. So यो केमा छ त verb 2 छ, past मा छ. So was where plus verb 3 लेख्छौं. So यसलाई हामी अगाडि लिएर a wonderful play. A wonderful play was written by my uncle भनेर भयो. A wonderful play was written by my uncle. Next, Mohan said, my brother arrived home late into reported speech. So, Mohan said that my brother था. अब his brother मा change हुने भयो. His brother arrived भनेर छ. verb 2 छ. verb 2 केमा change हुन्छ? had plus verb 3 past perfect मा change हुन्छ. His brother had arrived home late भनेर भयो. यसरी गर्ने है त. ओके, सो यो सजिलो छ. हामीले पहिला पनि गरेका छौं. यसको रुलहरुको बारेमा भिडियोज पनि बनाएका छौं. एन्ड वी हैव डिस्कस्ड ऑल द च्याप्टर्स फ्रम क्लास 12. हजुरहरुले अरु भिडियोज हेर्नु भएको छैन भने प्लिज गो एन्ड वाच दोज भिडियोज एज वेल. र यस्तै गरी मोडल सेट, ओल इज गोल सबैको सोलुसनहरु हामीले बनाएर अपलोड गरेका छौं. यु क्यान वाच दोज एज वेल है त. ओके, सो लेट मी नो इफ यु हैव कन्फ्युजन यसमा एन्ड आई विल सी यु इन द नेक्स्ट भिडियो. गुड बाय.